Hey everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, I went to Colonial Raceway. I went there as an appearance for Miss Motorama, and I watched some races, and then I also ended up getting inside of this vehicle you see right there. So make sure you keep watching because you'll see that in this video.
Pretty cool there, man.
Differential? Differential?
Yeah, I guess so.
He's like, yeah, yeah.
But if you doing it right. We've done this before. You got her smile going on the whole time, and you just like, she's an
I'm always smiling.
Pretty much everyone else.
Okay,
So
thank you.
I got your chair. I put it behind your car. I tried to put it in your car, but I couldn't get your trunk open.
No worries. Yeah, thank you so much. I'm gonna take pictures of the Camaro and I'll be back. Thank you. All right, thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank you for doing that. I was wondering. That's why I was wondering if I should move it before everybody.
Everyone pretty much down there left. So I was like, let me
I'm solo.
chairs and keys and bring them to you. So
Thank you. I
so that I
appreciate
can sit
it.
there.
Whoa! Holy I was recording this way. Oh my god, idiot.
The reaction.
I don't know, man. That was cute. He tried. He tried.
Final. He tried. 3 final. 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 3
approachable, man. Y'all ghetto. Southern Maryland. Hell yeah. His reaction was good on that one. That was a great reaction time. Good job. Oh, you heard me? Sorry.
No, that car's bad. I'm still going right lane though.
No, I'm saying that car is bad.
Oh, that car.
Yeah.
That's right lane? It's 40? Huh? You want to do a 40? Should I do 20? Alright, 20. Longer than. Yes, sir. I like it. I like it. 20, you got it right. Yes, sir. All right.
Transaction. That's what it's about.
Sir?
We're gonna put that jacket on behind you.